I'm about to show you how to get social media profiles off Google search like a pro with this tool. So guys, just hit that link to get involved, but let's see what I've got today. So open up the extension, okay, and type in the keywords that you need to do. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be typing in plumber and the place that I want to do. Once you press start, a side is going to open up, okay, a new tab, and you're going to open up the extension again, and you're going to see it has started going through all your different keys. Now guys, it's very, very simple. Just one click of a button. All you have to do is be able to spell, all right? If you can't do that, copy and paste off the internet, type it into the keyword search. You can see there, plumber in Baltimore, press start, and it will start going through. You can do as many as you want. You get, see, I can do 10 right now, okay, number of leads. You can do 1 if you want to. There's no problem at all. And it will just start going down for you, scraping these leads. You can see we'll probably get to about 1,000, maybe more than 1,000, probably more than 1,000, about 1,100. Now what I want you to do is go into the comments and tell me how long it would take you to get 1,100, for example, different leads. Now, we're looking for the social media profile, so you've got to click on that, go all the way through, and try and find their social media profiles. How long would it take you to do that? For 1,392. How long? For 1,411. Okay, because you can see it's taken literally minutes. Guys, once that's finished, and they're all searched, right? You can see how many we've got, over 1,500 on each. That's ridiculous. Now you want to download it, so click export and click download as CSV. Now you've got the settings if you want to change the settings of what you want to download for, but click download as CSV and you're going to see all of this pop up in your Google Drive, all right? Because what you're going to do is drag it over and drop it in a file on Google Drive, and you're going to open it up. But what you want to do is open it up with Google Sheets. So simply just double click on it, go to the open with, and open up with Google Sheets. Guys, this is the best format for it. Now you can see we have so much information on this now. All the data is there. Yes, we're looking for the social media profiles, but you've got all the data that you need. Keyword, title, URL, phone, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Favicon, and the meta description. Okay, guys, this is insane, right? All the way for 3,066 lines. How long would that have took you? It's incredible. So guys, what we're trying to do is get the social media profiles, right? So if I go on this Facebook right now, I can click on it. Let's see if it actually takes me to JH Plumbing Incorporated. It does exactly that. So you would have had to go through the company, go into the social media of the company, find it out. We've got it straight here. If you want to find the Twitter for a plumbing company, it's simple as that. Guys, this is why this product is so popular right now, all right? You can just simply press one button, type in a few words, and you are getting thousands of leads all the time. So this is how it works, guys. Super, super easy. I'm in love with this product, all right? If you use this correctly, if you just simply find the words to type in, the right keywords, and make sure you keep using it, you will get thousands of leads in minutes. Now guys, how do you download this Google search scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com product and go to the Google search scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack because that gets you the best value out there and you get 10 extensions in total plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.